Good morning, good morning, good morning. Waiting for the market to open here. Let's see what we got. I'm going to do a quick audio check here. Market just moving up above that 16,000 level there overnight. Audio is good. So yeah, the market is moved up over 16,000 overnight there. We didn't do all that well in the London session. We were down 600 and I think $650, maybe 670. Something like that on our Top Step account. So I'm going to wait for everything to calm down since we got $1,000 daily loss limit on there to potentially take another trade or two on that one. It's going to have to be something that fits the risk there that we have left at $300 or so in drawdown for today. So we're going to trade that one. That one's going to be off stream there. We got the Apex account over here pretty much at even on the Apex account there. And see what happens here at open, if we get a pullback or not. So we'll kind of see what happens here at open, whether we just shoot to the moon. Got about 3 minutes before the market opens. Three minutes here till the market opens. See what we get. ES up to the 94s here. All right. Well, just kind of waiting here to see what happens here at open. Kind of get a little pullback here going into open. Let's see if we get. Let's see here. I think if we move up above 20 quickly here at open, I mean, ideally, you'd like to see a dip maybe back to that whole number at the 16,000, but we'll see what happens here at open. T, how's it going? Good morning. All right, here we come into the open here. Do we sell? Do we push? Do we sell? Do we push? Pulling back here. Pulling back here. Let's see if we pull back more into open or if we just spike right up. Like to see a pullback into that 16,000 area, but don't know if we'll get that. Tried to push there for a minute. Squeeze it up here. See as this thing keeps going. What? Stuart, what's going on? Just kind of watching here, trying to be patient. Yeah, the ES is the stronger one there. ES is definitely the stronger of the two. Maybe slightly. Not very much, maybe a tick. Is yours in the green over there? Green dot? Pulling back here, holding this. Let's see if this thing holds this VWAP. Maybe we'll take a little long here off the VWAP. Not holding it though, doesn't look like. What happened there? The 90 level. I was kind of watching that area. Thought we'd squeeze back up there, but I guess I didn't give it enough room there. We tried the bounce, but didn't bounce out of there. Let's see if this thing's trying to see. We are trying to hold that VWAP there. All right, we'll try it again. Give it a little more room here. Come on, NQ, you can do it. Come on. You got more. There we go. All right, so that kind of got us back to even on that account. I'm going to be a little more patient here. ES popping up through the 04s here. Looking for a move on the ES, possibly into those 12s. I think we're going to trade right up into that 12 level there on the ES. I'd like to see this ES push up here. NQ's pushing on up here. All right, NQ's pushing up here. ES up into the 05s. ES wants that, man, the ES wants that 12 level. I'm going to try a little scalpy here. Might burn us, but let's see what happens. Go and break even there. Let's go. You got more. I'm okay with that one. That's a little more risky. I want to see what the ES does here. I think the ES moves up into that 12-13 area for sure. Wonder if the ES can get straight into that 12 or 13 area right here. NQ still pushing. ES at the pivot, I think, there. Pulling back there on the NQ. Kind of some wild action this morning. Big push up, big push down, big push back up. ES still holding up there at 06. Or the 04s right now. See if this thing can't push on up into that 12 level here first thing in the morning. Just get it out of the way. Kind of some wild action here. I might give this long a try here. Let's see. I'll give this long a go. We moved it too quickly there for sure, but just again, I don't think we're buying at the top. I don't want to say that. I just waited to hit the button there. Just trying to. Yes, back up to the 05s here. See if the ES can pop the top off these 05s. Get past the 0650. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. Is this going to trade back into that 16,000 level there again? Looks like it. Looks kind of like it. All right. Just trying to see here what's going on. ES pulling back now into that 02 level. Let's kind of see what we got. ES kind of rejecting that pivot. Got to get through there though. See if the ES can hold that 4,600 level. All right, we're just kind of watching here to see what happens. Is this thing going to continue to sell? Got the VWAP there at the 95-ish level. See what we got going on here. Is this going to hold this 6,000 level? 16,000? Just kind of watching here. Is this going to bounce off this VWAP again? Burned me earlier. Let's see if we get... Trying to wait for a little confirmation of it this time. Think we get it back above that 10 area. See if it's going to hold this level. Get it back above that SMA there. Hold on, let me look at something right quick. This might be I'm going to be a little leery of this. I don't trust this move just yet. I think this is going to continue to sell. feels like it's going to sell here. ES holding up there, moving back into the 04s. Losing the VWAP level there. I'm going to try a little short here. I think we should get a little push down off of the off that VWAP. See if it can hold it down. See if it can hold it down here. If it doesn't stay below this VWAP, I'm just going to kill it here. Let's see here. Come on, push down. Lock in a little something. Come on. Again, we took a little something out of that. Yes, pulling back into that 02 area. So the oh wait. Oh. Got the wrong chart pulled up. So anyway, as long as this kind of base is below the VWAP, maybe we continue to sell. We'll see here. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Helps the channel. Trying to get the subscribers up to 150 by the end of the week, if we can. Kind of getting a bounce here. Now we're getting the bounce. The trigger finger is a little bit wanting to push it here. Not quite a proper double bottom yet. Pretty close. Holding down here at the 16,000. Just trying to be patient here, see what we get. Still thinking the ES moves up into that 43.13 area today, or 46.13 that is. It's kind of selling again here. Let's kind of see here. Yes, pulling back into the O2 level there. Yes, pulling back a little bit here, back into that O2 level. Coming up on the 10 o'clock hour here, guys. I'll be a little careful there. Could get a pop out of here, potentially. Let's see here. Almost a proper double bottom there. Is this thing going to pop? Just kind of watching everything here and seeing what happens. ES is pushing here. I'm thinking about taking a long here over the pivot. Maybe above that 16,000 number again if we get above 16,005 strong. Could try to front run it a little bit here. Thinking about doing that. It's a little more risky, but the reward is a little larger. All right, we're going to give it a go here. Let's look for this overshoot to like that 10 area. Come on, push through that 6,000 level there. Let's go. Strong. I like it. All right, keep going. Come on, don't mess around. I pushed the button too late here, to be honest with you. But we are going to go ahead and lock in a little bit there. Once you go strong here. Kind of a little lightsaber there, took me out. Didn't manage that one all that well. I kind of hesitated at that 91, 92 level. I wanted to be a little more distance between my entry and the 6,000, 16,000 level. And I didn't wait. I waited too long. I should have. That 92 is a much better entry. I could put it at break even and it can work in this area to get through there. So kind of mismanaged that one, but that's all right. ES back to the 46.05 level there. See if we can push on up. ES looking a bit stronger here. Coming up on the top of the hour here. I get a little volatility here, possibly, right here at the top of the hour. Let's see what happens. NQ still trying to push here. Still trying to push. She wants the 05 there. Got to get this thing going. ES went up there and retapped that 0650 at that pivot, and it's kind of pulling back again. Got to get through that pivot there. Kind of just bouncing around in this zone, not really getting a breakout or a breakdown either way. Might be best to just hold off and let this thing give us some sort of move in one direction or the other. ES back into the 05 level there. I want to see it get enough steam there to get through that 13 area, 12, 13 area on the ES there. All right, kind of a retest of the VWAP here. Possible pushing up again. Strong over 05 here. We may take a long. Quick profits. Go. I'll take it. We'll take that little scalp there. Get ES through that 06 level here. We go back to high a day on the NQ, I think. A little scalp there. We'll take it. One thing I did overnight that I was a little more aggressive. Well, too wild on the entries, and then, you know, when I had $100, $150 in profit, I really didn't take it. Let's look for bigger moves. Not doing that this morning. We're just going to take the profit when it's there. All right, see if the ES can get through that pivot now. See if it has the strength to get through there. Kind of tapping, tapping, tapping. Still failing to get through there. Just tapping it. If the ES can break through that pivot there, then I think we get the breakout. But I don't want to do anything crazy before that kind of happens. Let's see here. Looking like it wants to go. The ES is really kind of setting up here like it wants to get above that pivot. Get above that pivot at 0650, we go. VWAP acting as a magnet here on the NQ. VWAP at the 95, 96 level here. It's kind of acting as a magnet here. You see, we just kind of test it. No real direction this morning. This kind of tough trading, to be honest with you. I mean, if you get in at the bottom and you got these push-ups or push-downs, then you're doing okay. But You can see we opened up with a loss, which is never a great feeling, but we got it right back. And since then, we've done okay. Pulling back into the VWAP here. Pulling back into the VWAP. ES just trying to get above the pivot there, holding up the 0506 level. If we can just get through that pivot, this thing moves into that 12, 13 area on the ES. Oh, testing the pivot here. Oh, busting through there, through the 07s. Through the 07s there, finally making it through there. Let's go. See if we can get up in here to the 12s. See if the NQ will kind of follow suit here now that it's getting through that pivot. Yes, pulling back below the pivot now after it took the liquidity there, and I'm sure it's going to pull back and then pop back through there probably. That usually happens. So let's see here. Maybe this is going to be the energy that we need to move higher. Just kind of waiting and seeing here. Waiting and seeing. Yeah, still holding up here at the 05s. Pushed up into that 07 level and then kind of pulled back a little bit, 08. Kind of get a little more energy to get through there, get through that 12, 13 level. See if the NQ and the ES can kind of get in sync here. Holding up here at the VWAP again. T, are you in anything right now? You just sitting on your hands waiting on the proper setup. Come on, ES, let's get going here. Just waiting. I want to see the ES get above that 650 and hold it. Come on, ES, let's get going. See, all of this influences now are on this ice bath stuff. Oh. Having your fourth coffee, man. I'm not on the ice bath stuff, but not much of an influencer anyway. The ice bath is not for me. Come on. Just trying to get turned here. Trying to get turned. Come on. Trying to get turned here. Want to see the ES hold that pivot. Really do. Gotta hold the pivot, ES. Come on now. Hold it. As long on the ES here. I got my stop at the pivot. 0650. So we might get stopped. But I think we're locking in $400 on that one. One contract. See if we can get more. I want to see the ES push through the 12s, really. You know what? I'll just move my stop back a little bit. I want to see it hold the pivot. Dollar's going up. A little bit of a divergence there. Not great then. Come on. Push. Let's get this ES through this 10 level. Nice and strong would be nice. Nice little boner candle. I'm locking in a little extra money here. I'm going to stop at 07. Come on, let's go. Sure, I'm trailing it too close here, but I don't trade the ES all that well. Are we going to get stopped? Teasing it. Come on. You got more. Trying to talk nice to it. Oh no, she might get us. Careful with the longs. Yeah. Oh yeah, I enjoy the occasional caffeine as well. All right, we got stopped out there. $437 on that ES trade. 437. I'll take it. I shall take it. ES pulling back here below the pivot, so I think it ultimately makes it up into that 12-13 area today, but it's going to kind of maybe wait for a little pullback to re-enter possibly. We'll see. Let's see what it offers us, right? But locking in 437 over there, up 334 over here. I'm using one Bullinox account just for ES. Just for the ES trades. Just for the ES. Really not much to do here in this area. I mean, unless you're already in a trade. I mean, you can see we're just kind of trading in this idiot box here. No breakouts, no breakdowns. All right, is this going to be a sell through here? Sometimes I think I should switch to Forex EU dumping hard. Oh, nice. Well, the NQ's dumping now. Look at that. The NQ. I think I said EU. Did I say NQ? I don't know. All right, ES pulling back into that 4,600 level. Kind of glad I covered right there at 46,650. It's going to be an interesting pullback. Maybe we can look for a little short here. See how these candles close. Got a 15-minute chart. Yeah, I think I did say EU. I caught myself, though. I caught myself. Kind of getting a little bouncy here. A little pullback. See how these candles close, though. Pull back up into this 88. Let's see. Don't I have the 1 minute? Oh, I don't. All right, we got a short opportunity on the 1 minute there. Don't know if I'm in love with it, but maybe we'll take it. I think I might take this entry on my Top Step account. I feel a little more confident about it. Let's see. Thinking of targeting this 63 area. So I got my limit order sitting at 88.50 to go short off stream here. So this will be the last trade that I take unless it's a winner on the Top Step account today. So we are down on that one, I think $670. So ES is kind of bouncing here. Let's see here. We'll see how this works out. All right, we're tagged in here. We are tagged in short at 88.50 on the NQ. Stop is at 6,005. 16,005. Not loving the look of this right now, to be honest. ES is pushing up. It didn't really pull back there. I may move my stop quickly on this one, even though I'm not supposed to. I don't know. If this thing gets back above 6,000 there. Actually, even if it gets above 95, we're not going to love it. Come on, turn back down. Turn back down. Turn back down. Come on. Trying to talk nice to you. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. All right, if this thing gets back above the VWAP, I'm going to just close it. Kind of watching it here. Yeah, I'm definitely going to take this one off if we get back into the green here. Just not in love with the price action here. Come on, push down. You can do it. Come on, push down. You can do it. Trying to be patient with it. This is where I would normally close it right away if it moves into green because I've held it in the drawdown. I'm going to try to trust it here as best I can. Try to trust it as best we can. Still think there's a chance here that we push down. A decent chance. Kind of holding the top of that channel there, so I think as long as we can push down, still, as long as we don't pop out of there, we can still push down here. Come on. You got it. Let's go. Well, getting tighter and tighter here. Something's going to happen. All right, back to the entry here. And we took it off for break even, guys. Yeah. I said I wasn't going to, but goodness. I just don't like what the ES is doing. ES is pushing right back up into the 08 level there, about to make new highs. And now the NQ is kind of getting above the getting above that 6,000 level. Should pop out of here now. Switched over to a long over here on the top step. Just took a little $65. What'd you do, T? You took a long there on ES? Did I miss that? Or you took a short? So ultimately did get some profit out of those two trades. This is interesting. Where is my performance chart here? We'll tell you guys what we're at from the overnight now. 606. Down 606 from overnight. Short. Yeah, I feel like the ES is going to move up into that 46, 12, 13 area today, honestly. Tried my best on that long there, or that short, but now this is kind of looking longish. Or am I with Top Step? Yeah, I use Top Step. I'm not partnered or anything with them, but I use Top Step as well as Bullinox and Apex. Do we dare try another long here? All right, long from 05 over here. Could have got a little deeper of a... Well, gotta pop now if we're gonna pop. Come on. Gotta pop. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You got it. Pop. Get through that 06 level again. Move through the 10s. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Let's go. Push through there. Try to talk dirty to it there, but it didn't seem to care. Oh, not dirty. Nice. Come on. Push through there. I really don't want to take a loss on this account, but it looks like it might be inevitable here. See if this thing's going to have to pop here. If it doesn't pop out of there right now, then no bueno. How's it going, James? No bueno. Come on. We were just completely offsides on that trade. Completely offsides. ES pulling back into the 03s. ES pulling back into 4603. Goodness gracious. Trying to pick a direction here is tough. Trying to pick a direction. Very interesting price action this morning. I'm not so sure. I don't know. I was thinking about taking a short here at this 94 level, 93, 94 level, but the way the price has been trading, I don't know if I love it. Don't know if I love it. Now the ES kind of looks like a short there, T, to me, but kind of looks like a short now. Broke a structure to the downside there, but last time it did that, it just popped right out of there. Shorted 992. Yeah, I'm considering it now. I'm just not sure because of how price action's been so far. Kind of how this thing's going to go. Kind of 606 area. Not really a huge fan of the risk here. It's kind of why I wasn't in love with it, because this thing is just not doing what you think it would do this morning. I may just take it off. I don't know. Let's see. All right, we're going to break even here. Too fast or not, we're going to break even. Come on. Push down. Oh, well. You kind of have like a lot of liquidity down here at this 50 that you would think it might come get, but short setup on the ES so far would be paying. Kind of got short there at the 04s. It's down into the 02s. Hard to tell here. This is really hard to read. I mean, while it looks like a short here on the 1 minute chart, I've just been burnt on it a few times this morning already. Man, look at this thing. I'm just not loving it. I almost need to flip and start taking the trades in the other direction, right? If you guys haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Trying to get up into the 150 subscribers by the end of the week. Long way to go. Yeah, still selling down here. I mean, this might sell off. Really hard to tell. Hard to read. 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart looking kind of crazy over here. Still holding down here at the VWAP. Yeah, the ES is just moving down. So I'm saying that kind of gives you confidence that this might move down, but ES at the VWAP now. That might cause you to get stopped here on the NQ. ES bouncing off the VWAP there. Got the VWAP in the whole number right there. Didn't quite get to that 605, but it came close. ES kind of bouncing off that VWAP there. Looking like a little bit of a breakout on the ES. Trying to break out there. ES looked like it was going to kind of bounce out of there for a second. Well, Well, this thing is taking off here. Kind of missed that. Yes, did break out. What are we doing? I can't believe I missed that entry there. I wasn't looking. I did jump in long on the yes. Man, I'd like a freaking pullback here so I can get in there. Do I just take it? All right, let's go. We'll just take it. Might pull back here, but break even so far already. So let's see if this thing just goes right through the high of day there. It's going to trail this a little tight here because it could turn back. All right, I'll take it. Oh. Let's see here. This thing is just trying to push through there, trying to go. Yeah, I'm going to have to be a pretty decent pull back here. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. Let's see here. All right. Well, that was a good trade for you there, T. For sure. All right, let's see here. Get a little retest here. Do we dare take it? Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I guess I should have. I was watching my long there on the ES. Come on. Got to push here. Got to push here. Oh, man, do we take this here? Kind of want to take this long here. I want to go long here. This could just flush, though. All right, we're going to give it a second here. Hold on, let's see. Kind of getting the retest here. Let's take it. Let's try to take this retest, and let's see what happens. Come on. You can do it. And yes, we are going to go to stop. Break even quickly here because this is a relatively riskier trade. Come on. Let's go. Gonna lock in at least $25. Come on. Let's go. Push through there. Push through. Get on through there. Get back to the high of day. Come on. Let's go. You got it in you. All right, I'm going to lock in some more. I'm not liking it. Probably going to go, but all right, we'll take it. Very rude. Very rude. Very rude right there. What can you do? That was kind of risky. Alrighty. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button. Subscribe. Helps the channel there. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I keep forgetting I'm in this ES long over here. I'm long from 0475. Got in kind of late there. Should have really got in at like 02, but I may actually go ahead and move that to break even here in a moment because it's not really moving the way I want it to. Oh, 475. I'm just going to take that one off. Not in love with it. Break even. Break even trade there. was thinking it would go. Probably will now that I closed it out, but yeah, I really should have got long there at 0250 and kind of FOMO'd into it. Didn't want to hold it. The NQ is kind of holding up here. I mean, it's trying to push back through those highs. That entry right there wouldn't have been bad if I would have held it, but I don't know. Do we give this thing another entry? Let's see. Oh, come on. Really? Really? Oh, I'm feeling extreme FOMO right here. Felt a little FOMO there. Well, it takes something. Well, it takes something out of it, I guess. I wanted to take something out of it. me check this now. Let me see here if we got sound here. All right, it looks like it's on there. Testing, testing. Can you guys hear me? Seems like it should be fixed now. I don't know how I turned it back off. I thought I unmuted it. I must have remuted it. Can you hear me now, T? Sorry about that. Good. I mean, this thing could sell back off here. This is kind of one of those tricky ones. I would certainly be taking a short here normally, but today for some reason, not feeling it. Not feeling these types of setups. It's almost best just to stick to the breakouts and the breakdowns. So, get above 16,010 here. I don't really know what to do here. Like I said, normally I'd be thinking short, but looks like a short setup, really does, but all right, let's see here. I mean, I would think this thing would just sell down. You shorted 16,003. There you go. We'll give it a try. We'll give the short a try here. Push it down. I don't want to give this too much room, and I feel like this stop is too tight. I feel like the stop is definitely too tight here. I don't know. I'm going to move this stop to break even here. I'm not in love with it. I don't know, man. Stop needs to be much wider, but goodness. I was going to take it off. I hate that, but that's why I said I'm not in love with this setup. It feels like it's just going to go here, but kind of sucks. Gave back $200 there, but that's okay. Still could sell off. Still probably will sell off now that I covered, but I mean, stop just had to be way too wide for me there. Way too wide. Yeah, close break even. It's okay. It's all right. We will take our loss and move along. I think it's going to drop here. I really do. Now looking at the ES here, moving back down. It's the thing though. Shorting into the whole number. Going to get something happen here in a moment. Do I dare take the same trade? Do we dare? Alrighty, starting to look a little more push up in it here. ES really not moving up yet. ES kind of looking like a bear flag there. Yeah, this might be kind of a chop zone area here. Kind of hanging out. Let's kind of see what the ES is doing here. It's trying to make it back above the VWAP here. If the ES gets back above that VWAP there, get above that 4,600 level. Is this thing going to sell back off? Man, it kind of feels that way. You're thinking you're going to wait till the PM session? What are you sitting at now, T? Are you in profit? I know you took a loss or two there, but I think you had one nice big winner, though. I remember you got long somewhere down here and you took the high a day. Back above the 10 level here. Let's see. ES trying to get back above that 4,600. All right, let's see here. Long 6,006. You're aggressive today. I like it. I'm going to have a worse long, but we're about to take one. We are about to take one right there. Let's see here. $6,003. Stop there. And womp, womp, womp. Come on, got to push here. Not in love with it. Come on. Got to push. I want to give all the profits back here. Gotta go. Don't toy with me. Push through there. Come on. Yes, getting back above the view up there. Probably going to just kill this trade. I don't know. Not liking it now. I think I'm just going to take it off. It's going to go as soon as I take it off, so. I'm just going to take it off there. Not in love with it at that point. It's probably going to go, though. Probably going to go. Yeah, if you're in at break even, it's good to go. ES is trying to get above that 4,600 level there. Getting tighter and tighter here. You're either going to break out or sell off. Not quite sure which. Oh man, is this thing going to really... You try Top Step Trader using TradingView? No, I haven't tried that using TradingView. Man, this thing. Guess I should have just trusted the trade there. Dirty. Dirty. I don't know if it works well or not. I've never tried that. It could, maybe. Look at that. Good job, T, right there. Hit your profit target. I didn't hold it. Should have. Should have. Kind of traded my P&L there, to be honest. I didn't want to give back the profits. But look at the ES above this 4,600 here. I think this probably retakes high a day. I did long the ES at 45, or I'm sorry, 99.50 or something in there. Should make it up through a high a day here. ES got above 4,600 here, trying to push. Got my stop in at 46.01 on the ES. Might get stopped out here, but just want to lock in something. Stopped out there, even $500 today on the ES. This thing seems like it's just going to go through high a day. I got to take a phone call here, guys. I'll be right back. Hold on. All right, I'm back. My mom accidentally dialed my number, so trying to look away. Oh goodness, this thing is just going for the highs here. We'll FOMO into the top. Yeah, good move there. Oh my gosh. Gotta stop doing that. Kind of missed this trade. I mean, I was along there. Where was my stop at there? Let me think about it. I think it was at 04. So we were along from 1250. Yeah, so it was only a 5-point drawdown. No, that's wrong. We were along from 1650. So it's like 8 points. 8 points there on the drawdown. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe. Feel free to chat down below. We like the interaction. If you're interested in trading futures, we do have the 80% off coupon code there in the banner and link in the description. And then I don't think I posted this Bullinox link today. Let's do that while we got a chance here. Of course, the ES is just pushing here after I closed my trade. All day I've been thinking the ES is going to push up into that 12 area, 12, 13 area. And just have not held on to the long. You can sign up with this coupon code TOP50 through Bullinox. That'll get you 90% off today. It's not my code, but if you use the link, I get credit for it. Pretty similar to Apex if you're unfamiliar with Bullinox. Bullinox, whatever you want to call it. All right, what's the ES pushing up to now? 4604, 4605. It's just one of those things, man. I mean, look at this price action. Huge sell-off. Then you think it's going to be a short, so I take the short, take a loss. Then we're like, oh, it's going to be a long, and then I take a loss on the long too. Just burned in both directions there, but that's the short. I understand the loss. The long is just me. That's mental. It's not the market there. That's just me. Just me there. Are we going to continue higher? ES pulling back into the 4602 area. This thing is trying to push up again here. Well, pushing up into that 50 area. Pushing into the 50 area here. See if we got more. I mean, if we get a little pullback in here, we might. The thing is, man, look at what's happened. I mean, this would probably make more sense to short. than to the long there. We're coming in that time of day though. This kind of 11:20 whatever time of day where we start getting some interesting price action. Either a pump or a dump. Let's see here. A little pullback here. Well, pulling back hard here. What is the ES doing? Do I take this bounce out of here? All right, we might get burnt here, but we're going to try it. Let's see. Come on. I tried to move the stop to break even and then move the target up. Tried to move the stop to break even there. Pulling back into this 4,600 level on the ES there. Is it going to bounce off that VWAP once again? Or is this going to be just this complete? Are the longs done? Is this just going to come back down here again? That's kind of what this action's been doing today. I actually feel okay that we're into profit because, to be honest with you, this has been pretty tough to trade. We're up $500 on the ES account and $265 here. Is this going to be a pullback? A dumpy? I guess I'll consider a short there if it trades out to this other side of this channel. Maybe we'll take a short. I don't know though. This kind of looks like one of those, you know. Pull back into this area and then whew. Long 1629. Yeah, I mean, I would consider a long here too, but I'm just skeptical of it now. This area looks like a long for sure. But the way this price has been trading today, I don't know if I believe in anything at this point. We're going to take a quick short here, see if we can't just get 5 points out of it. Quick little 5-point scalp there. Just broke out of this channel here. That's easy trade there. As soon as I seen the I see the Keltner band come out the other side there, I just take a short. Could take another entry right here if we wanted to for another short for the retest. Sergio, how do you ever feel as you might be overtrading? Do I ever feel if I'm overtrading? I understand you are a scalper, but even scalping 1 to 3 solid trades can make a big day. Yeah, I overtrade for sure, Sergio. And by the way, you were right about the Top Step deal. I don't know if you watched my recap video, but you were absolutely right. Let me show you. You were absolutely right. So, best day total profit 120%. Now it says that I need to make an additional 571 on this account. So you were absolutely right. It's a single day, not the days averaged. So if you're in drawdown, your best day can still only be $900. This is not a huge deal. Still got to make three $900 days, which today I'm down 500 something dollars on this account anyway. But you were correct. Probably should have lost some money yesterday on that one. But yeah, I overtrade for sure. I mean, you can just look in here and see. But with this strategy here, you're gonna, you can take trades. Like for example, would have got long here at 15. Stop would be down here at the 01. And then you wouldn't close the trade. You would just trail your stop up, right? And then once it kind of turns back down, rounds off and turns back down, you'd close it somewhere in here. So you could have held this for one long trade. I just mentally don't do that. Sometimes you get this, which we kind of said this looks like this, but I did take a little short scalp there. But that kind of looks like that type of deal. Like this is going to move back higher. ES bouncing off the VWAP there, 4,600. Do we dare take another stab at the ES here? All right, we'll take another stab. See if we can't get a move through the 05 here on the ES. Just see if we can't get a move through the 05. Let's get this ES going here, see if we can get a trade, get it through the 05 level there. I'm really going to put my stop 97. Yeah, so stop's where I want it to be, I think. Come on, let's go. Push. Oh, I was like, what is going on there? Scaled in here. This could be great or just a nightmare. I just took a little $25 scalp there. Well, things pushing up. So where are you long from there, T? Kind of feel like this is going to go up to the high of day. I need to figure out how to, let's see, allow the selection. What is that? Let me see if I can. I don't know how to figure this out. I gotta mess around with Ninja more. Don't know how to do stuff here on Ninja. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and chat. This thing is pushing up here. Just kind of watching here. ES pushing up into the 0425, 0450. See if this thing's gonna, I don't know, the momentum looks like it's slowing down just a little bit here, but it looks like it could still go. Average 1630. Break even now. I mean, you're probably okay. I think this thing's going to take that 50 area for sure. Well, I don't ever want to say for sure, right? I didn't take it, but I'm over here watching the ES, and it's moving up here. I took my trade off too soon on the ES right there for no real reason. Wasn't in the red on it, really. A tick or two. What's your target? The high of day, 50? I kind of want to enter long now. See what the risk would be if this pulls back into 36. 10 handles, $200. All right, we're going to try it. Probably shouldn't, but we're going to try it. Yeah, I'm going to go to break even here. What's wrong with me? starting to move the stop on these last few trades a little too quickly there, even though you kind of feel like it's going to blast up there. ES pulling back here a little bit into the 03s. Let's kind of see what happens here. Let's see, 0525. See if this thing's going to push back up here. Took the high there, but got rejected at the 50 level there. Just trying to see what happens here. ES is holding up here at the 0405 area. It's kind of basing there. A little bit of a pullback there. Yes, trying to push back up into the 04s. Is it going to be able to push up here? Let's see. Need a pop here. See if this thing goes. This thing pushing back up. Do we dare take a long? Kind of rounding back up. Kind of rounding back up here. Lightsaber down. Lightsaber down there. Just lightsabered back down there. ES pulling back into the 03 area. Took a little loser there on the ES, only up 475 on that account now. Looks like it was coming for your break-even stop there on your runner, if you still had that on, T. If you still had it on. Well, let's just kind of see here. Kind of looking like it's rounding back up here. Yeah, it's kind of holding that 20 SMA there. Swatching here, maybe for just a short scalp. Maybe for a short scalp. Or short long if we pop out the other side there. It's like, which one? Which one? Oh, goodness. It's hilarious. 40. All right, we might lose on this one. This is kind of an aggressive entry, so we'll see. Just looking for 5 handles, though. 5 points. Come on, a little push down. A little push down. You can do it. Just a little push down for me. Yeah, move that down too quickly there. NQ break even hit after taking profit. Hi, dang. Hey, you got profit though, right? Hit that first profit level. That's all that matters. Yeah, I probably would have got my 5 points there. I don't know exactly where I was short from, but just moved the stop too soon. I got to stop doing that. We're going to stop doing that. Hold on one second. Take a All right. Yeah. No, we're still live over here. All right, see ya. Well, there goes the short. Would have for sure got our 5 points there. Could have re-entered too. Could have re-entered there once again, but we did not. That's all right. Moved my stop too soon. All right, on the next 5 trades, the next 5, we're not moving the stop. until if we get $100 in profit, we will move the stop to break even. If we don't, then we won't. All right, let's see here. Here we go. We're not going to move it on this one. So let's see if we get 23. Let's see where my stop needs to be, though. 38. Yeah, that's okay. Come on, push down. Well, not in love with it now. Oh, man. Do me dirty there. Just going to do me dirty and take my money. Looks like a breakout trade now. All right, let's give it a go. Where should the stop be? 28. 28 seems reasonable. Come on. Do me dirty, do me dirty, do me dirty. Burn me in both directions here, looks like. Push. Push. If this thing doesn't push right here, I'm going to take it off. Oh, goodness. Should be a little bit lower. I guess it's not really going to matter, but... Oh, man. That's a back-to-back bad losers there. Just got me in both directions. I didn't take the profit on this one. I moved the stop too quick. And then now look at this thing. Now look at this thing. Basically back to break even on this account now today. After being up maybe $500 at one point, almost. I mean, it is holding this bottom. It's gonna stop me out either way. My stop is, you know, there at 26 and a quarter. What is the ES doing? It's kind of holding up here. Well, kind of glutton for punishment here. I'm thinking about taking another long. We'll just wait for confirmation. We'll wait for confirmation this time. Now we'll see what we can do. I got to break even here. Slightly before 100. Oh, that's frustrating again. Yeah, this is that kind of area that happens every day at some point where I kind of give my profits back, and that's exactly what I did here. I try to take the breakout trades, and then it just doesn't work there. Well, we'll see. Let's see what happens here. Kind of a fake out to the upside there. ES just kind of hanging out at the 03s. It feels like it's eventually going to break out to the upside, but just kind of watching here, see what happens. $86. ES is at the 4604 level here. All right, let's see what this thing's doing. You can kind of see it's just really just choppy. Not really much to do here. Just wait and see what happens. Still in green, but feels bad giving back profit here on these last two trades. Punished myself on these two trades here. I didn't take the 100 in profit on each because I moved my stop to break even. And then immediately lost 300x here. 330. All right. Do we try it again? I don't know. Let's see. Do we dare take the long here? I'm gonna wait. Let's see if it breaks out. Maybe takes this a little high, and then we get a retest of the area. Then I'll take it, because these have just kind of been fake outs. You know, like right here, kind of a fake out, fake out, fake out, fake out. So look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Maybe just get long on the next pullback down through here, down in this area. It's a possibility, huh? One way to do it. Maybe like right. Is it actually going to sell through this time, though? I should be taking a short here, but let's wait. We'll wait for the retest. Ah, come on. Now it's breaking out to the downside there. All right, let's wait for the retest. See, the time that I don't take it, that's what happens. Let's see if we can get a little sort of a retest here. Taking the retest. Get this pushed down. Where should my stop be? If this thing just comes back up in there, that's going to make me mad. Not mad, but you know, it's going to feel bad. Come on. Let's push down. Let's push down. All right, I'm going to break even, guys. Not waiting for 100 here. Just not liking the speed of this one, so just going to go to break even. If this thing sells off, then gonna feel bad there. Probably should have took the break of it in hindsight there, but ES pulling back into the 04 level. Not really, I wouldn't call it pulling back. I mean, it was at 06.50, so it kind of rejected the pivot there. I don't really feel like this is a real sell-off. I think the ES rejected the pivot, and this thing just decided to pull back with it. Feels like a long now, doesn't it? Sure does. So I was saying, if we're going to get long, kind of get long at the bottom there. I think if I'm going to take a long, I should take it aggressively down here at the bottom. That's what we feel like. If we kind of do the opposite of what we normally would do, this normally would be a short to us. I'm thinking of taking a long. Thinking of taking a long here. Long it is. And oh, come on. All right. I'm going to cut it off at 100, so. Ah. All right, I'll risk 4 handles. Probably going to get stopped, but. Come on, go. Push. Push through there. Let's go. Push. Push. You can go. You can do it. You can do it. I mean, if it goes, it's going to go, right? But we gave it a valiant effort there, trying to get it to go. Gave it a valiant effort. Didn't get it, though. You guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. Feel free to chat. Feel free to chat. Tell me how bad I'm doing. Really? Look at that. Look at that. Come on. ES pushing through high a day here. I don't know what this is. I mean, do we just horsey in here like they say? I don't know. Ah, what is going on here? This is going to kill me probably. I shouldn't have entered here. This is just a FOMO in, but all right, let's go. All right, we'll take that little win there. Let's see, close this one. Tough day for you, James. Yeah, that I don't know what that was. Thing was, I was long here. I didn't give it enough room, right? And then it just, whew. ES popped into the 09 area there. I don't know. All right. I jumped in on the ES there for that push up and was up like 4 handles on it, but only took 1. Was that the Apple News or is that after hours? I'm not sure. Was that the Apple News? Could be. I thought that all the news was after hours today. I could be wrong. Could definitely be wrong about that. Feels like the market just opened again, right? Well, don't know what you do here. Lunch hour, T. Yep. I mean, is this thing going to just move back up? Feels like it might, but who really knows, right? See if the ES can push back up here to the 08s at least. Maybe the NQ can make that high a day run there. What is it? So I guess Apple, I guess Apple was the thing there. Apple races to develop its own generative AI tools to catch OpenAI just now. Yeah, I just got that come across my news feed as well. Guess you were right. Trying to see. Does anybody know how to make it to where you can move your chart? Turn off the auto fit on Ninja. It's kind of annoying me that I can't drag my chart. Like I can't, it's all the way at the top and I can't drag it. Can't shape it the way I want it. I haven't looked into it too hard, but sure there has to be a quick way that I just don't know about. So kind of a pullback here. The ES is pushing back up into the 07s here, trying to possibly go to the high of day. Hold control. All right, let's try it. There you go. Perfect. Appreciate that, T. Yeah, I'm just unfamiliar with Ninja, so. All right, I'd like to see ES push here. Push through the high of day. Trade into that 11 area, possibly. Don't know if it's got enough to do it, but we're going to try. We are going to try it. Pulling back into that pivot there. Want to see it hold the pivot. Would be ideal. NQ kind of pulling back here into the 40s. ES pulling back below the pivot now. Are we going to go into sell mode here during lunch? Are we going to continue to push? That's going to kind of be the question here, I guess. That will be the question. Kind of holding this level right now on the NQ. Kind of holding the level here. See if we can't push up. See if we can't get going. ES pulling back here. The dog has decided it is time to bark. Pulling back here into that SMA. See if it bounces out of there. Got the VWAP on the ES, or on the NQ down here at the 16,008 level. Dog knows you went long. He's telling you in. Yeah. Yeah, he likes to bark. He likes to bark. NQ selling through here. See if this thing can bounce somewhere in here. All right, just going to take that off there. Took a L there. Still up 337 on the ES account, but just going to take it off there. Look for a better entry. Kind of FOMO'd into the top there. Sell, sell, sell. Now he's saying go short, I guess, huh? All right, we're at the VWAP here. See if it holds it or not. At the VWAP here on the NQ. Are we going to lose the VWAP? Oh, wait. Are we at the VWAP? Let me get back to the 3-minute chart. Yeah, we're at the VWAP there. 16,010. Let's just kind of watch this thing. Take a little VWAP bounce here. See if we can get a little quick 100. Took a little VWAP bounce. Yulong 16010 kamikaze style. Hey, I got 16011.75. I just took the 5 points. I might have shortchanged myself on the profit there, though. Who knows? Got to kind of lose that VWAP in order to sell off, though. Continue the sell off. ES is still above the VWAP by 3 or 4 points here. VWAP at the 4,600 level on the ES. 4,600. Still pushing. Still pushing. See, normally I take a short right there at 21. Do we dare? Like to see it get through the VWAP first, really. Got the whole number in the VWAP kind of right there. You're in at break even? You plan on trying to trade those earnings at close today, T? I think it's I think they're right at close anyway. To look and see. Kind of got the VWAP here. Got the whole number here as well. Swapped to short 16015. I thought about doing that, but did not do it. Kind of want to see the ES hold that 4,600 level. ES is trading back into the VWAP. You're looking for 971. I did not take the retest. Obviously, in hindsight, that was a bad decision. Did not take that retest. Feels bad. ES kind of holding the VWAP there at the 4,600 level. Kind of bouncing off that area. See if it's going to sell through there. You're out. Probably a good decision there. You had a good entry, though. A little push back up here. Kind of a triple, quadruple-ish bottom down here. Bounced out of there every time, so be careful down here. You need a break? Grab another coffee. I may be here to you. I'm not sure how long I'll stream. We'll see. Could be, could be. Is this thing going to bounce? Man, it feels like it might bounce here. I don't know, though. Selling through there. Selling through there, selling through. Kind of lost that level there that time. Target 52. How's it going, Sergio? 50s. Could be. Very well could be, guys. Could be. Let's see. Let's see here. If 86. Possible move back into the 86 area, I guess. On the ES. Just kind of watching this. I mean, we might try to take a short. We may enter here. We'll see. I don't know. Just trying to see what happens here. ES is reapproaching the VWAP here. See if it gets back above it or not before we make a decision. If they run this back up, it could be hilarious. No, you're not lying. That's kind of how today's worked, right? So I almost have to be careful. It's caught me a few times like that, where I think it's just going to sell, 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 and then it just doesn't. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Kind of don't know if I this is kind of the retest here. I don't know if I'm going to be taking that. Let's see what happens. Just watch it. ES is getting back up here. Trying to push. All right, we'll take it. Why not? Might just be in the wrong direction here, but it's looking for a little push back down. Just a little push down. Come on. Don't you tease me. Yeah, kind of tickled to take profit there. We just moved it. It's all right. We'll take it, though. We will take it. A lot of trades today. Hey, Dylan. How's it going? Let's see. It's going all right. I'm up 212 on the ES off stream and 397 on this one, but I am down 500 from earlier, 540 on another account, on my Top Step account. So we're probably up a little bit, maybe 100 or something total, but we were up 500 on the ES account earlier, but I took a loss right there on that sell off. I bought the top. Bought the top. Sergio doesn't like the 15-minute candles, doesn't have a top wick. I don't even know if I got... I definitely short sold that one. I should have just held for full profit there, but it's all right. We'll take it. ES moving down into the 95 level here. Got pretty strong support at 86. It's tested that 90 level earlier at open, or I guess at 11. Selling down here, selling down. Might be targeting that low a day. Man, big dump now, big dump. Yeah, I bought the bearish retest, but I didn't hold it there, Dylan. Obviously, I took some out of it, but what is that? 8 handles, 9 handles. Let's kind of zoom out here a little bit, see what we got. That was would have been a nice trade there if you got short for the break. Could have taken the retest twice here. I only took it once. Very nice, nicely set up there. He has traded down into the low 90 here, 92. Dylan, are you still on vacation? Let's see what happens here. The dog likes it. He likes the sell off there. I don't know if I dare take a third time there. I don't know about that. Little pop here. Maybe we'll see how it reacts. I don't know. Feels like it's just going to bounce out of here, though. This would be kind of a dangerous buy here, but I don't think I like it. I think I wait. This probably would have been a long. Probably should have got long there. Probably should have got long there already on that one. Yes, bouncing off that 91, 92 area, trying to get back above the VWAP there. Let's see here. Just trying to watch this level. ES still not back above that 600 level. Like to see the ES get above the 600 level here. 600. I think I might have said 60. I don't know what I said there. Oh, I probably should have went ahead and... All right, let's give it a try here. Let's give it a try here. A little risky, but think we can get this pump back into the 600 here. 16,000. Come on, you got one more push up here. Get out of there. Come on, get out of there. Get out of there. 16,037 target. I don't love it. Looking kind of roundy at the top there. I'm going to take it off. I don't like that. Look kind of roundy there. Kind of look roundy there. All right, got it back. Started rolling off there. That's how you do it there. I guess if it rolls off, you just take the short. He heard me say short, and he was like, what? Short? No, we only go long. We only take longs over here. That's what he said. Or something like that. Probably not, but probably nothing of the sort. Hold on. Alrighty. Kind of bouncing there. I mean, is this thing going to continue to sell off or what? Seems that way. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. Feel free to chat. ES still pulling back down to the 93s. Sergio, did you get out of that one? Man, that retest there, that roundy entry would have been nice if I wouldn't have been long. I took a long there. And then rounded off. I should have really been getting in. A couple indecisive candles there, so I could have took a short there. Would have paid out well, but that's all right. You can always look at it in hindsight and see that. I don't even know why I have that chart pulled up. I don't even look at that stuff. Don't even look at that stuff. All right, selling through into the 50 here. Someone called out the 50s earlier. Was that you, Sergio? You called out the 50s and then you went long. No, wait a sec. You did go short. No, you went long. Tagged your 50s there. Do we dare? Probably would be late to try to enter long, though. Should probably enter there at 53-ish. Oh man, is this thing gonna roll back over? See what we can get here, a little quick. Gonna do a little trail down here. A little $50. We'll take it. Oh, I had to trail that one tight. ES is not really selling off here. It's holding up right there at the 92. Kind of feel like it might just move up there. I wonder if I might just toss in a long on the ES and let it ride. Put my stop down at the 80. That's what I'm considering doing, just tossing in a long there on the ES. That's what we're thinking about doing, but I don't know. I got an account I'm just trading the ES on. And ooh. Little pop there. Is this thing gonna turn right? Turn right back down? I don't know. Kind of difficult to trade this here. Well, where it is right now, just this stuff was nice. Short the break. Could take profit. Short the retest. Short the retest. Roundy. You're holding long till 16.037. Some of these shorts are about to get trapped. I hope you're right. Hopefully you're right there, Sergio. Trying to pop out of here again. Yeah, looking roundy again there. I'm gonna held that bottom side though. Woo. Almost pressed the button there. If not, stop is 5-minute close below 1950. $15,950. Let's see. Yeah, it's holding up that 50 level. I was thinking about taking a short here, but kind of looking bouncing out there. Let's just see here. Feels like a pop here is coming. Feels like we kind of pop out of here. Could be wrong, but we're going to try a quick one here. Try a little quick pop out of here. A quick one. And going to risk I don't know. I need to keep it below here, I guess. I don't want to risk that much, but it's where it needs to be, I guess. I'm getting out of it. I'm killing that one. That was kind of a feel. Just like feel there. Get back $100 there. 115. Feels like it's going to pop out of there, but actually, oh man. I definitely misread that one. All right. Might hate myself, but we're going to go one more time. Not sure what happened there. Trying to go to break even. Too fast, of course. Moved that one too fast. Feels bad, moved it too fast. I mean, is this thing going to still, I don't know if I'm reading this right. I think it's going to continue to pop out of here. I mean, I feel like it's going to pop out of here. 62. Come on. All right. Got it back. So the idea on this trade was right. I just fumbled it as I do sometimes. So your stop is below 50, 1950. Popped out of there nicely. Where we at on the ES? Back up into the 98. See if that ES can get back above that 4,600 here. Want to see the ES get above 4,600. It really gets to pushing. Let's get this ES above the 4,600 there. All right. Just kind of watching the ES there for a moment. I got my stop already at break even on that trade. So can't lose on it. But looking to see if we can trade all the way up into that. Really, I'd like to see that 46.11. But get above that VWAP there, we get a chance without stopping me. But got my stop at 96.50, so it's only a point away from it. Like to see a pop right through the VWAP. Pop through the 4,600. Can't lose on it, but want to see it pop here. Come on. You got it. I think if the ES can get through that 4,600 level strong there, may go ahead and get that move on up. Um, Just kind of seeing here what it does. Like I said, the ES kind of going to get through that. Get above that 4,600 level. That's your VWAP and your whole number there on the 3-minute chart. So I'm thinking if it gets above that. So that would be C. All right. We're back to 499 here on the account over here, and we're at 275 on the ES account. We were at 500 on the ES account and 500 or 600 on this one, but we got stopped out of our long right there on the ES. I tried to stop too tight for sure, but that's okay. I'm putting a camper in at 601. That's going to break it above the VWAP and also above the whole number. And I'm going to target that 611. No, wait. I think I entered that wrong. Let me let's go back and fix that. No, I did it right. What am I talking about? I did it right. So I'm going to target the 601 and we'll sell at 611. So we'll see. Then we get above that 600 level, we go to the high of day, move into the 611, 612 area. Kind of just chopping around in this box, you know, in this kind of idiot box, if you will, here. I feel like I've been kind of lucky on some of these trades here. So I don't want to push my luck at this point. Let's wait until we get a clear direction. May not happen until after the lunch hour ends there. Funny thing is, we definitely overtraded on the ES today too. I took a long this morning, like early, pre-market at 46.04. And what was the high? 46.09. Guess I would have just got 5 handles out of it. No, wait, that's not where I took it. No. No, I took the long at 45.89. 45.89. So could have got 20 handles there. I would have stayed in that trade the whole time. That's what I'm trying to do on the ES. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to give it a better go at it, where I pick a target and just let the trade go, play itself out, put the stop where I think it needs to be, and kind of go. Let's go in to retest that VWAP now. So let's see if the NQ kind of breaks out here at the top of the hour there coming up. All right, just passed. All right, it's trying to pop out of here. Is it going to go? Nope. Nope. Not going. ES has to get through that VWAP here. If the ES gets to the VWAP, I think we go. That being said, guys, I do have my kids today, so I want to need to feed them some lunch. 1 o'clock. Then I came in here a couple times. They're old enough to fix it themselves, but kids. So I'm going to go ahead and end the stream there. Up right now 275 and 500, and then we're down 560 on the other one, or 540, something like that. So if you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe. If you're interested in trading futures, we do have the link to Apex in the description and the coupon code in the banner. We also have the link to Bullinox with 90% off code in the chat. So I will be live again at 3 a.m. Eastern for the London session. So if you guys are interested, you like the content, join me for that. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.